Now let us start with the IMOF tank. IMOF tank, it is an improvement over the septic tank. So in case of septic tank, we are providing only one chamber where the sedimentation and the sludge digestion takes place within a single chamber. Whereas in case of IMOF tank, we are providing two chambers, two-story tank. In the top story, it is the settling tank or upper sedimentation chamber we call. In the bottom story, that is the sludge digestion chamber where the digestion of sludge takes place. And we can provide a number of interconnected hoppers also. They are provided below the settling tank. So this is the longitudinal section of the IMOF tank in which you can see the inlet. Through the inlet, the wastewater enters, the waste enters into the IMOF tank. The upper portion is the sedimentation chamber, and beneath that sedimentation chamber you can see so many hopper compartments. That's a sludge digestion chamber where we are providing 2 or 3 or 4 compartments we can provide, and the shape is hopper. And the sludge will be deposited at the bottom, and the sludge can be taken out through the sludge pipe under hydrostatic pressure. In this figure you can see a slot opening, and through that slot opening the sewage or the solid particles slip down and enters into the sludge digestion chamber. So after that slot comes the sludge digestion chamber. In the sludge digestion chamber, to a particular level the sludge will be get deposited, and that vertical height between that slot opening and that sludge level, that there should be a sufficient space we have to leave it. That is in order to prevent the entry of the foul gases into the sedimentation chamber. So that height, that neutral zone should be of 45 centimeter. So at least 45 centimeter we have to provide. If we can provide more than 45 centimeter, we can provide that. Now coming to the advantages of IMOF tank, it doesn't require any spill detection during operation. 60 to 65% of salts can be removed, 30 to 40% of BOD can be removed, and there is no problem of sludge disposal as in case of the sedimentation tank. In this figure you can see a slot opening, and through that slot opening the sewage or the solid particles slip down and enters into the sludge digestion chamber. So after that slot comes the sludge digestion chamber. In the sludge digestion chamber, to a particular level the sludge will be get deposited, and that vertical height between that slot opening and that sludge level, and the tank have a tendency to form, or it boils, which can create a scum, and it can create a scum on the top of the tank, and it forces the sludge particles to enter into the sedimentation chamber through the inlet. That is another disadvantage of the IMOF tank. Then forming, it affects the quality of the effluent. Usually for smaller cities only we are providing the IMOF tank, since there is no adequate control over the operation of the tank.